Menteri Rangba Jala Meghalaya konrat ke sangma mentang sing spotrik nopra arhaja apsau layo ban wan pynhap pyrda iaka Jingrakhe Jubili ni Golden Jubilee jong Nativity High Secondary School Maukerwan Southwest Khasi Hills District bala pelong hamaran jong school laban kedau baka Nativity High Secondary School Maukerwan kalayo ban pli pyrda iaka Jingrakhe hakalai terik uya yong arhaja apsau Dau Bakti Lingwa IAS Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasi Hills District kumkong san bat menta kasi kashpotrik no pra arhajar psaw badai kasi penkut lawan ban longkong san dau konrad ke sangma Menteri Rangba ke Jala Meghalaya haka jingdan lang uba renikton lingdo tongkar MLA ka Maukerwat constituency kum usumbot kongsan Nalor ki kongsan ladan lang ru kinoi kai ki kena school berem baru kikmi kipa jong kikena school ha kaba kilawan pan penshit penshingan ya kan ni jing pynhap pyrda ni jing penkot ya ka Jubili ksiar la priang burom ya baro kibawan ha kan ni kesngi do Reverend Father A Walang principal jong Nativity High Secondary School Maukerwan hadien kata penbut sa ka program kerpang ni kikena school jong ka lower primary section but Saint Vianney's English School ka folk tales na kikena jong Nativity High Secondary School Maukerwan bat kiwei de ki program kerpang.
A very happy 50th year or Golden Jubilee that we are celebrating today of the Nativity Higher Secondary School Maukerwat. On March 15th, 1974, the then parish priest, Father Aaron, had established this particular school. Along with Bar Brixius Marvin, I'm told he is present out here. It would be my honor to felicitate him if our principal would allow after my speech to see what this institution has become. Because it's not just about the buildings that we have built, not about the playgrounds that you have built, but the lives that you have touched. The students who have come out of this institute, the way they have become responsible citizens of our state and of our country. And today are contributing at different positions, at different levels, for the benefit of society and for the benefit of the state as a whole. Faculty, principals will see that contribution and will have a very, very deep sense of satisfaction to see what they have contributed to society. Education, as we all know, is one of the most important pillars of society and of any nation. And expenditure and the money that is spent on education is more of an investment. The highest budget among all the departments is kept for education, amounting to more than 15% of our total budget. But in spite of all the funds and all the investments that we make, we have numerous challenges. Education has a lot of complications. It is not easy. We are trying our best to structure things. But as I was just speaking in the earlier program, when you have a problem in front of you, it's not easy to solve the problem in one go. In terms of education, apart from secondary, higher secondary, our government is very, very keen to ensure that different colleges and also higher education opportunities are given to our students. Just yesterday, we have approved the sanctioning of Science and Commerce stream in Sora Government College, William Nagar Government College, and also in Bakmara Government College. This is, of course, in line with the new education policy, where we are ensuring that multi-disciplines and multiple streams are provided to our students. But I'm hopeful that slowly and steadily, with the interventions that are being made, we will be able to see a difference and improvement in the education sector. And I once again congratulate our principal and all the faculty for the wonderful education that they're providing in this school. I also